So the last phase that I'm going to talk about is called test. I'm not going to say this is the final phase because we may learn something that takes us back to research, to ideation. So this might not actually be the end of the process. And just a reminder, I said that this could actually be an infinite loop that we are on in terms of our design thinking process. This is why. Some things are never finished. How often do you get a notification that you have apps that need to be updated? How often do websites need to be updated and redesigned? There are some things that we make in the digital world these days that are never actually finished. They are never complete. Didn't always used to be this way, but it is a fact of the way that we design and work these days. Some things are finished. A movie is finished. A book is finished. Brochures are printed. That does not mean that we can't reflect and learn on those things that actually do leave the warehouse or screened or broadcast or delivered in some form. We can reflect and learn on those, and that is the key component of the test phase. So some things are never finished. We work in an infinite loop, and we refine our problem solutions based on what we learn, and hopefully we solve these problems that we set out to define in the beginning. Now, some other ways to look at this test phase are screen. If it's a motion graphic, public service announcement, a movie, then it may be screened in front of a test audience or a focus group. A website is launched, and then data is collected immediately about whether it's working, what's not working about it, debugging. If it's a book, we published it. It's been designed, it's shipping. Printed, brochures, cards, branding, debugging the software that is never finished, shipping the product. Shipping the gadgets, the perfume, the products, the t-shirts, whatever it is that we're designing. Promoting those things that we have created. Releasing them into the world, or in some cases, if it's software or hardware and we really are in the test phase, then we might be delivering a beta version in which we go back through some of the cycle again. So the keys are to learn and refine until we actually solve that problem. The infinite loop.